It hasn't got a name yet, so I can't tell you too much about it. Hi, my name is Rachel and I'm the interior designer for Temple Webster, and here are my tips for a spring refresh. We've heard of the spring clean, but when you're renovating, you want to definitely do a deep declutter. You don't want to be taking any of the old into the new. Wallpapering and painting are a great way to add an instant change to the home. Don't just think of your walls either. I mean, we can paint our furniture or ceilings or wallpaper the front of your armoire, which is a wardrobe, by the way. Another quick update would be swapping out your fixtures and fittings in your bathroom and kitchen. This can include your faucets and your showers and your tap handles, even your cabinetry handles. I'm a big fan of brushed nickel, which I think is overtaking our brushed brass phase. I'm a big fan of some sky blues, and I love pairing it with a little pop of cherry red to bring some vibrance to the space. Definitely calling materials from nature, and they would be timbers, whether timbers be in oak or walnut or like an ash colour. Definitely some stones, a big fan of travertine, but any marbles, and particularly coloured marbles in violas or greens to bring some colour in. I think a common mistake for people is actually not understanding their own style, and therefore when they go out shopping, they instantly just are going for things that are trend driven or that are advertised to them, and then they bring it home and nothing seems to match. So what I do suggest for people is to definitely start with some mood boards. Homes embracing colour. Gone are our boring white and greyish homes, and finally we're seeing some colour come into our spaces, adding, you know, vibrancy and life. So as you can see what I'm sitting in, it's all pretty exciting.